Hello everyone, welcome to Titico, and tonight we'll be doing a quick unboxing of a JBL Endurance Run wired headset. So let's open this one up. Alright, as you can see, the packaging is very good. This one is the blue version. Now, from what I've checked, this one is made for those who has an active lifestyle. That's why it's called the Endurance Run JBL headset. So here's what we'll get. It has this foam on the box, and we'll push this earpiece here and this one, so it pops out. Alright. Now, from what I've noticed, the insulation of the cable feels like it's either silicone or rubber, which is very resistant to liquid. And also this headset is sweat proof. Now, as you check, total cord length is 1.3 meters, and it has one button. You can use this to activate Siri and your Google Assistant. Maybe you can use it also to pause or play your music by your MP3. And it has the normal 3.5mm jack. Okay, and here are the earpieces. So you have here, it's embossed the JBL logo on both sides. It has silicone tips, and inside the box, let's see here. Alright, it has two extra pairs of silicone tips, but different sizes, so you can change it to fit whatever proper size you want, or whichever is more comfortable for you. Alright, now as I've seen here, you can wear this the normal way like this, or you can wear it this way, and then just hook the cable up at the back of your ear. However, if you want to use it this way, you have to switch the earpiece so that you can get the proper orientation when you're using it in stereo mode. Now, let's see. Okay, these two earpieces are magnetic. There you go. See? Alright. Now it doesn't get tangled easily because this cable is a bit thicker than your average wired headset, and the texture itself doesn't allow it to get tangled easily because it feels like rubber or silicone, I think. Okay, then we'll do a quick sound check. Okay guys, so we will do a quick sound check. What I have here is a Rode mic, and I'll be connecting this JBL Endurance Run wired headset with my phone, and we'll be using a song that doesn't have copyright. So I'm plugging this one here, as you can see. Alright, now we'll do a quick sound check. Now I'll be placing this as close as possible to the Rode mic. Now this is at maximum volume. I hope you like the sound quality. Okay, now this JBL Endurance Run headset is priced at 1,199 pesos, and I got this from the SM store. And this one uses an 8.2mm sound driver. So I'm not sure if you like the sound quality, but from my experience, it's good, especially for the price. It's 1,199, and I'm pretty sure this will last longer than your average headset because it's made for those active lifestyle. So they built this with a little bit more on the reliability side. So this will last. So I hope you like this quick unboxing. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Titico.